Your visa can be rejected even if everything seems perfect, simply because of your bank statement. Today, I will show you the bank statements mistakes that decide your visa. And importantly, I will show you how to fix it. Many years ago, I applied to some three-tier countries, and because of a very little mistake I made on my bank statement, I really felt the consequences. So this video will save you time. This video will save you from all that chaos that comes to your visa application in relation to bank statements. Trust me, bank statement is debatably one of the most important lists that the embassies look at in deciding whether to approve your visa or not. Now, so let's go through it quickly. First, don't deposit a sudden large amount of money into your account. You see, the visa officers are trained to know that this money actually is a loan money. This money is a borrowed cash. This money is a last minute deposit. And once they are able to figure out this, it is the fastest way of getting rejected. So don't put yourself in that situation. The second thing you should know is that don't submit a joint account without explanation. Let me explain here. Maybe you are married, you and your partner, you want to travel, and you are submitting a joint account. Make sure that that joint account has an explanation attached to it. Who owns the money? Who owns the account itself? Who will fund the trip? This gives more clarity to the visa officer and makes the decision making very easier. So, using joint accounts without explanation can affect you. And this part is very important. And don't submit an edited bank statement by yourself or even an agent. Don't do that. This is a very serious fraud. If the embassy is able to find out that no, this bank account is an edited bank account, then it's a big, big problem. So don't submit an edited bank account statement to the embassy for anything. Yes, you want to travel, but that's a very serious fraud. You should avoid at any time. If you are caught, you could face imprisonment for that because that is document fraud. If you are caught, you can get banned from applying to the country for a very long time, or even you have no chance to appeal for your visa again. And here, don't submit a dormant bank account. As a former bank staff, when I used to work in the banking industry, a dormant account, you have customers coming and they want to renew their dormant account. Simply means that the account is idle. Nothing is going in, nothing is coming. No expenditure, no cash flow is dormant, dead. Okay. So don't submit a dormant bank account to the embassy. It shows that financially you are not stable to travel. And why will the embassy give you a visa when they know that you are not financially strong to travel? No way. And now the last part I will talk about the things you shouldn't do on your bank statement is that don't submit only 1 month bank statement. The embassy usually will list the duration that you have to submit, sometimes 3 months, 6 months. I don't know. I haven't seen any 1 year bank statement yet. So just go by the law, what they are requesting you to do. 3 months, submit a 3 month. If it's 6 months, submit 6 months. When you submit 1 month, then basically you are telling the visa officer that, look, I get no cash to travel. So I have 1 month. You can decide what to do and you know the answer, rejection. So avoid these things. If you like this video up to this point, please do me a favor and click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Once you do that, it also goes a long way to get to other people who need this critical information to help them save their time. So please subscribe, share, like, and let me know in the comment section your experience when it comes to the bank statement issue here. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let me tell you how to fix it. Make sure you show a 6-month bank statement, period. Show a 6-month bank statement. That is a running account. An account that there is a cash flow going in or a deposit going in. There is an expenditure. There is a reasonable income flowing and coming in. No suspicious money going in or coming out. And there is a regular income coming in like your salary. So you should tie your salary to that particular account you want to use. So show a 6 months bank statement to help your chances of getting the visa. Because trust me, if you're able to show that 6 months, it shows the visa officer that you have a steady income, and also your spending also is showing in the bank statement. Your savings is also showing. So even if you have a savings account and your salary account, you can use both. Even your investment, you can also use it as well. So far as you get proof, and so far as it's legit, use a 6-month bank statement. And match your bank statement with your travel plan. You know that you are going to spend 2 weeks, and the 2 weeks you are going to spend, you are going to, travel around some tourist places. So definitely you will spend money. So your bank statement should match your travel expenditure. For example, if your bank statement is showing 10,000 USD and your travel is going to cost 15,000 USD, if you were the visa officer, you wouldn't give me the visa because my expenditure is way more than my income. So you make sure that your travel plans matches your bank balance or your bank statement closing balance. And this part is very important. People don't really pay attention to it. You know, to help, another way to fix it is that make sure you keep a 2 month, 3 month consistent deposit and regular income flowing into the account. If you wait and it's about 2 months, 3 months to apply for your visa, and now you are running an account, it's suspicious. So you want to keep a stable income within 2 to 3 months before you do your application. This would really help you because even a smaller but stable income and also a stable balance looks much better than a sudden big amount of money putting into your account. That will affect your chances. Use salary or business account if possible. If you have a business account that is running, not a dormant one. If you have a salary account, why don't you use it? Use it. And make sure that if you are using a business account or salary account, for salary account, make sure that you have your pay slips to support it. If it's a 6 month bank statement, make sure that you have a 6 month pay slip or salary slip to support that. If it's a business account that you are going to use, make sure that you have your business registration, you have the business deposit, some money is going in to show. Even you can even prove with your tax, showing that you are a legit person. Doing business, and that account is also legit. And this one is very, very crucial. You should add a cover letter explaining your finances. You've the cover letter, there should be a part of the cover letter where you explain your finances. See, anytime I do my visa application, I add my cover letter explaining to details, telling the visa officer why this and why that. It makes it easier for the visa officer to make decisions on your visa application. But if you leave it opaque, it's more confusing and makes the situation more difficult. So make sure you add a cover letter explaining your finances explain your savings, explain your income, explain your sponsor, if any. So if you have a sponsor who is sponsoring you for education, for a conference, for any business trip, or even for holidays, you should be able to have a letter, explaining the sponsor side of the story. And the sponsor can also add a cover letter to support you. This is very crucial. Trust me, it will help you a lot if you do this. This is bonus and it's very easy, but most people don't pay attention to that. Use official bank statements, not photocopies ones, and use official bank statements. Explain to the bank officials to stamp it, to sign it. You see, it gives credibility to your bank statement. If possible, even ask the bank to also give you a cover letter. I mean, testifying that yes, the account belongs to you, you're a alleged person, and yes, you own solely to that. There was a situation I needed my bank to do that, and I asked my bank to give me a cover letter explaining the bank account and all that, and it helps. So if your bank can give you a cover letter to support your bank statement, that gives you more credibility to your bank statement and your finances. So the bank statement is not just a document, it's your financial history, telling the visa officer who you are in terms of your finances. So it's not just any document that you can rush and submit. Statement, your bank statement doesn't need to be rich. It needs to be real. It needs to be logical. It needs to be consistent. Consistent in the money going in, money coming out. It needs to be consistent. And this single document decide your next move. This single document decide whether your visa is accepted or rejected. So I believe this video will be a very helpful source to you in your next visa application. Make sure that you don't rush your bank statements. Build it up. Make sure that you are submitting the true one. Don't allow any agents to do any editing for you. No, or even you yourself doing an editing is a serious problem for that. This single document decides more visa than people realize. So before you submit this document, make sure you have carefully checked it out and you have carefully gone through every point of it. Read through yourself and make sure that you are confident of submitting it. In my next video, I will talk about something even more dangerous, and that is the visa sponsorship jobs. I have been working abroad for the past 10 years with visa sponsorship jobs, and I will tell you whether you need an agent or no agent. And that will be in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. And if this video has been very helpful to you, and if you like this video up to this point, please do me a favor. Click on the like button, subscribe, and share this video so that it can also go a long way to impact others. I really appreciate your time watching this video, and in my next video, we will talk about visa sponsorship job, agent or no agent. I will see you in the next one.